So now come to question number 5, exercise 1, phase 6, indefinite integration. You will get number of questions of this type as it is the elementary problem. Here, if you observe carefully, it is the what we have done in the previous question number 4. Same thing is there. If I take this as fx, 3 cos x here, let 3 cos x plus 2 sin x is equal to t. Now it's a derivative. If I differentiate, so minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x dx. See, either I write on the right hand side dt upon dx, or I can write in this form is equal to dt. So this question also in the form of I is equal to 2 cos x minus 3 sin x is a dt upon t. So it is a very standard form log t plus c. So answer will be n8. What is t? 3 cos x plus 2 sin x plus c. Here one thing, small thing I will explain you here. Suppose this 2 and 3i interchange, or it is some other form, then this method will not be. If numerator is not equal to derivative of denominator, then this method will not work. Then we have another method. So when question will come, I will explain that part. So this question we can solve very easily, simple problem. Thank you very much.